So here finally we have the for the 24 Ferrari 812 Competizione that my client has been waiting for quite a while, and this one is in Giallo Triplo Strato, and it's a complete atelier built car for him. If you guys follow my YouTube page or elsewhere, you've seen that the blue 296 that I just did a couple of weeks ago, that's his. The red, the Testarossa F512M, that's his. And I've done about 3 or 4 others before this one. But this one he's been waiting for a while. He also has an SF90, but I believe he's waiting for possibly an SF90 Spider. Anyway, so going back to this car. Delivered to the dealer, specifically told not to touch it, not even washing or anything. And the car came to me, and most people would expect, not this client, because by now he knows his 296 GTS was a complete disaster, but most people would expect not only would a new car not need much or anything at all, but especially not a special ordered vehicle of this magnitude. And yet here we were with a car full of imperfections, full of buffer trails, sanding, pigtails, all kinds of marks. So, a car that he waited for a few years, and still we had to do a complete paint correction. We're not talking about just a polish, complete paint correction, which is unfortunate, but that's basically how it is these days. I don't care what brand you buy. Sometimes you get lucky, and a car truly needs very, very little. But in most cases, I should say, regardless of the brand, they need a complete correction. I'm not going to show his name here. I haven't even spoken to him, but I doubt that he wants his name out there. Maybe he does. I don't know, but I don't want to take that chance. So, anyway, so full paint correction was done, and then a full body Xpel PPF job was done. So every piece of the exterior was covered, all the carbon fiber, all the paint, obviously, and then the exterior was ceramic coated as well. This client doesn't like to do tint on his Ferraris. Other vehicles, we do tint for him, but I think his Ferraris he likes to just keep the way they are. But anyway, this is now completely covered, protected with Xpel Ultimate Plus film, and then we have Ceramic Pro 5-year package on the exterior. Absolutely beautiful car. I can't wait to see it outside in the sun, because the metallic, the pearl in the paint is just extremely nice. I have a hard time, I should say, coming up with the words, but it's truly a beautiful car. And so hopefully when I do take it outside tomorrow, in the next couple of days, it'll be sunny. And if not, I will wait for the sun to come out so I can truly do the paint justice. So yeah, if you guys see this video, keep an eye out for the video of the same car, but taken outside. And you will see how beautiful the pearl, the metallic looks, with the right reflection of the sun.